Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of our berry patch, our new berry patch. And it is soaking wet out here, but we're going to try to get this one row of blackberries and raspberries in, because the blackberries are older than the blueberries. We've had them for quite a while, and I want to get them in the ground. It's supposed to get really cold tomorrow, so we're not going to have time, or we're not going to be able to do it next week. So maybe late next week we can get the rest of them. But we really want to get these in there, but it's too wet. It's really too wet to do it today. But we got 2 of them in, and we'll show you what we're going to do. And that's the problem. We can't really pack the dirt down in there good. So we're going to get this one row in, maybe mulch it, and then we'll come back and finish it out. So we'll show you what we're going to do, and kind of talk about it and stuff like that. So what we'll do is she's going to take a little, like a propane torch, and go around the outside of it. So what we do, we just take a regular old propane, like a plumbing torch, and just go around the outside of the pot. So you can see where we got the hose here. So after we got that, she's taking them all out. And we'll turn around here and we'll get this one right here done. We take post hole, or I take post hole diggers and go down in there, and then we'll throw a little fertilizer on it, 20-20-20, and put them in the ground. You don't want to go too deep. It always kind of busts the bottom up too. That's why I don't like doing it. It's too wet. You can't pack it down in there good. All right, let's get another one.
Okay.
Okay. All right. You know what I forgot to do? Fertilize. Let me throw a little fertilizer. All right, we're gonna skip ahead and do the rest of them. Basically the same thing. So we'll come back when we get them all. And gosh, it's muddy. It's just too muddy. Don't. When you're doing this, if you want to do it like this, it's way too muddy. But we have got to get these in today. So not just to make a video. I've got other videos to do. So it's just the weather. We just got to get it done. So all right, we're gonna jump ahead and we'll show you when we get. So I didn't like that mud. You can't pack it around there good. So we went and I had some leftover potty mix from the mums. I had like a bucket. So we're putting that around it and kind of packing it in good. So that might work out a little better. We throw the dirt off to the side because we don't want weeds and stuff. So we're gonna do that, and we got all the holes dug here. Makes it easier when you got some help. So Allison helped me dig those. We alternated, believe it or not. And
it ain't easy.
It ain't easy. It's tougher. It's because it's so wet. And we're talking about going ahead and do the rest of them. I don't know yet. So we're gonna get these packed in here, and we'll get the tractor fired up and throw some mulch up to a certain point, and then we'll decide what we're gonna do. So we had stopped the other day when we was doing that on the planting the fruit bushes and everything, because it started raining and started misting. So we only got one scoop down. So I'll show you that when we get done. So it's a couple days later, and it's about, when I came out it was 13 degrees. So I've got so many clothes on I don't know if I can breathe. But FedEx ordered our mum pots and some other nursery stuff. FedEx dropped them off here. Pretty good little ways from the house. So I'm gonna get these picked up and take them in the house, and we'll go check on the goats, and I'm gonna feed the sheep some hay today, even though they got a little bit of grass, but I think they need the extra energy. It's so cold out here. I think we'll move my truck, my work truck over here, because I have to go to work in the morning. Today's holiday. Today's Martin Luther King Day. I built a good fire. I got a good fire going now, and we watched the inauguration, and I did a little work in the bathroom. Just kind of laid around. So let me get these pulled in, and we'll go check on them. So in the boxes, I should open the boxes and look at them. It's not that interesting, but that's for our mums. I ordered 600 mum pots. You know, those plastic pots that you put your mums in. Ordered 600 of those, and a few little nursery supply things for my greenhouse. And that's it. You know, if I had I was just thinking, if I had a cab tractor, I could haul much today. Well, it'd be cold on that old tractor today. I don't want to fool with it today. So let's see if we got any babies. It's really not that cold in here. It's cold, but it ain't freezing cold. All right, no babies today. I figured it'd come today or tonight or something, because it's so cold. I wanted to maybe Wednesday, if it warms up, I'm gonna do a ligament check. I need to bring Allison down here to kind of occupy them, and I'll check their ligaments and see if they're close or whatever. So all my chicks survived, so that's good. I know the pigs, I can hear them, they're all right. All right, I'm gonna get these things fed and watered. And water's a bad thing this time of year when it's freezing. Kind of a little different video. Sorry about that. I can't control the weather, and we don't have the luxury of you know, we have to kind of go what the weather is. So Appreciate everybody watching. Hit that subscribe button. Give us a like. We need some likes. Give us a comment. Good comment. And support your local farmer. And we'll come back. We'll try to finish that up. The berries. And got a lot of things going on or fixing to go on. We just need a little break in the weather or a little time. So we're trying to get everything caught up when we get going. I do have a new series that I'm doing. The first one was on a Friday night. It's garden tips, a little like 2 to 3 minute video. Instead of a short, I'm doing a video. So thanks. You're gonna think I'm gonna move it to Sunday. So and we have lives every Monday night at 7:30. So anyway, support your local farmer. Appreciate you watching. Try to stay warm. Animals don't care. They need fed, so they don't care if it's cold or whatever. So I'm gonna get these done. Anyway, support your local farmer. I'll see you down here in the farm next video.